Good morning. Good morning, ladies and gents. Welcome back, guys. It's a beautiful day here. Just relaxing before I go for a dip. I make this video or this kind of video once a year, and I do this for a reason because I feel like every year traders will drift off the rails, and I have to come back to put you back on the right path. Now, a lot of you have questioned the last couple of videos, the last two videos, and in the last two videos, I said some things which uh, it might seem like I was discouraging you from entering the market and, I don't want you to trade. Well, that's exactly what I was doing, actually. I was trying to discourage you, and my words shouldn't matter. I tried to discourage specific people that came in the false reality of the markets. But now we just entered the correct market, the market that I'm used to and I know, which is the choppy markets. And these markets, guys, are going to require skills, are going to require people with dedication. And me discouraging you shouldn't matter because if you're really dedicated to something, words shouldn't hurt you. Words should either point out the obvious, which is you're not cut out for it, you don't want it in your heart of hearts, and if you still remained after my words, well, then you're really committed to this and you feel it. So I accomplished two things in those two videos. One, I made it easy for you to go look at an alternative way of making it in the world and saved you a lot of money, a lot of headaches. And two, I just reinforced your idea of why you should be a trader. So here we are, guys. We just entered a market that was going to be testing for the next 12 months. And this is the market of 2019, 2018. I've lived through it, guys, and I know this market will test you. You think your magical strategy is going to help you? It's not going to help you, guys. What's going to require is somebody that understands the movements and somebody that can get out before everybody else, because direction will change within seconds. And that's the reality of the stock market that we're about to enter. For crypto, it's the same thing. Okay, so crypto market is down 75%. Most stocks are down 75%. And it's going to be a testing market. But for long-term investing, it's going to be the market you need to enter. And you can just buy any stock and hold it, really. It doesn't matter. You don't have to be a genius because once everything rebounds, once something rebounds, everything will rebound and you get a short squeeze across the board. That's why you can pick the shittiest stock today and you still make money in the long term. But for day traders and intraday traders, you're going to be tested. And I know this because I've entered a market like this before. Right? In 2019, 2018, matter of fact, 2015 as well was the same case scenario. But guess what? The market always rebounds. And then when it rebounds, you can come back and say I'm a genius because it's easy to trade. So you can't say that in this market because it's going to require, you could say, a selfish approach. You in it for yourself. You get in, you make your trades, and you're out before everybody else. That's what's required, matter of fact, in any market. In bull markets, in full bear markets, you can also do that. But now we're not in a bear market and we're not in a bull market. We're in a in-between. And this in-between period is very testing. It's actually the period that will chew and spit traders out because it just frustrates them and it makes them question everything. In my personal opinion, I think what we do nowadays will be just fine. But there will be days where the market is just staggering. I mean, it really doesn't want to do anything because it's awaiting specific important news report. So there's days where we should and we will have to say, you know what, let's not trade it because it won't be worth it after all. It will just be a destructive to our trading accounts. So how do you stay motivated during this period? Crypto traders specifically and stock market traders all alike, but for crypto traders it's the same thing in regards to the bear markets and how this winter that you're gonna experience might really be a very sad and frustrated winter because nothing moves and maybe there's further declines. How do you stay motivated? Well, look, guys, just know this is history repeating itself. I've experienced this before. I know this. This is exactly what's going to happen. Uh, like, history is the best teacher. A lot of you haven't even experienced this specific part of history, which is why I think you're going to question yourself if you're not strong enough. And I wanted to make it easy in the last two videos. So if you find yourself questioning yourself, just know that this is what history had for us previously and what's going to happen in the future as well. Stay motivated, stay hungry. Do not let that frustration get the best of you. Always react with caution. Always react with a specific mindset, a business mindset. And do yourself a favor, and this message goes to specific kind of people. Don't think for a minute that you're a genius because you made some profits. Which, remember, I want to keep reminding you guys, that's how everybody felt in 2020 and 21. Now, I don't hear a peep. Everybody's chewed out and gone. Right? So when you come up with a new strategy, just remember, it only works in specific markets. In the next 12 months, that is my territory. So, adapt and trade the way a real trader will trade. Don't aim for unrealistic gains, which is what I believe traders do. They just come with unrealistic expectations, and I have to come back and guide them and put them on the right path. Welcome to the real world, my friends. Now, this is what trading is all about. You're going to see what trading is. You're going to be tested. And because we're reaching the bottom, you're going to notice how the choppiness will come about because it is the bottom. And when we're close to the bottom, the choppiness usually goes on for months. So, that's me done. Keep the head up, guys. Let me know if you're going to keep remaining, if you're going to remain in this battlefield and take everything you're owed.